Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Fyers account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Fyers application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Fyers application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to log in to your account. What you have to do is simply enter your mobile number over here. First of all, select the country code, tap on the field of country code. Now what you have to do is simply select your country code over here. After you do that, what you have to do is simply enter your phone number. Instead of that, you can simply tap on this option, login with client code. Now you can also enter the client code over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, you'll have to complete the two-factor authentication. You'll be prompted to enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number or email. If you've set up a time-based one-time password, you'll use the code generated by your authenticator app. Now, once the two-factor authentication has been completed, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Fyers account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.